Here is a. So, my sister joined the game. Well, I actually got for fun. Yeah. But this is my sister who told me what to do. Ah. This is all my sister. Okay, my sister actually helped me. This is what it looked like. She actually helped me build it. Like not build it. She gave me the ideas how to what to paint it. What should I add? These are some pretty good ideas actually. This is my idea. I really love gaming. That's why I became a YouTuber. So bye.